some noise for JR again.
Blessings, give thanks to the people.
Perry made a bang.
Yeah. JR again, yeah. Watch. Get a vision last night, I'm a cry, come and see my glory. No better days coming, cause mama sit down and she told me. So my gone one plane now. High life we a pop champagne, yo. Never shake out on the back of feel a rough, she growing. Yo, me suits enough not really real. Wanna stop the youths, I wonder how you feel. Because sleepless night, yes, without the meal. And me see mama all cry, just know how she feel. Reaching for better because we hear say better soon, yeah. Me say me know that a straight dead lane. I go on like say you got them names. Some juvenile a road, them no got no brain. Money man a break up a car jet plane. Yeah man riches, get big house, cheese. Anything you want, what's the wishes? Say yeah. Me get a vision last night, I'ma cry, come and see my glory. No better days coming, cause mama sit down and she told me. So my gone one plane now. High life we a pop champagne, yo. We never shake out on the back of feel a rough, she growing. And determination I kill you. See pray. You can't just sit down and say you want things. You have to act it. Yeah man, I have to remember say your room never been in a one day to me, know that. See pray. So you have to get up and put in the work, dog, and make every day come. Yeah man. Sit down and try practice how to make some money, probably where we go rap brings. But John know my problems, him alone know for solve them. Wash away my thoughts, bring new ones. Bring love in my heart, feel new brand. That's what I want them to do. Just press it. Just press it. Yeah, watch it. Mommy, I feel work hard. We never have it, so I come from. One shoes, me rock at school and yard. Pain, now my chest plate, but me never go spade. Yeah, me hold it out till my bust skate. No, me got the cream, yeah man, cupcake. Just wait. Some little idiot, no one see that. I choose stacking up the mills, them want to blur my vision. Don't see the vibe, so they must sing, so we just keep a distance. Cause we not blind to nothing because we in existence. Tell you them I watch the money and every dollar kind. And I say me sell weed or the white collar crime. A police and me I go them a search with the fine. Trust me dog, nothing them no fine. But get the youth, watch them, watch them. Them know how you make it out, them woulda love fear, they get a shot them. Are you gone in accident? Crime scene, yellow tape, you watch them, watch them. I push them a fling, but I'm blessed by the king, you can't stop me then. I still see I got to them, hold on. So keep back, I'm gonna speak me on the wrong party. Just find out so some rookie a pull stunt for me. Remember mankind deceiving, so run from me. And before you give them all, just keep some party. We'll find out enough of them aren't no plane. So if you are gonna trust them, not trust them with everything. We tell you mankind wicked now, me. Crucial dark break. So me say watch, yo, bless up on yourself, people. This is like, bless up.
Okay, so what does the judges say about JR again?
It's JR again. Okay, JR, it looks like you've been doing this a very long time. I love the lyrics, I love the energy. And you know, I really love the fact that we have this show to really showcase natural talent, right? I just hope that you will be seen out there by someone and you can get a record deal or something, because trust me, you're bad. I love it. So it's an 8 for me. Thank you.
Alright, JR again. Alright, lyrics on point, very excellent lyrics. What I would want was some punchline. I see this song in a dance hall, you know, I see it, I'm nice, dubbing, I'm nice, you know, but it just wanted a little bit more punchline. For me, it's an 8 as well.
Ping. Yes, ma, you don't know. It's here performance thing and I tell him I like it, you know. Honestly, I like it, but the performance is flat. So I say, I want you to give it more. You understand? From deep with it. You have to sing from down and belly. So I say, yeah man, so I give a 7 overall. Yes. Ping!
Well, on behalf of DJ Master Bruce, I will be giving you 8 JR again, because DJ Master Bruce, if it's not 8, him did go give a 9. You see me? So, yeah man, the energy right, you know? It could have higher, but it right. JR again.